Hi, I will be helping you in modeling exponential function. Kathy plans to purchase a car that depreciates, loses value at a rate of 14% per year. The initial cost of the car is $21,000. Which equation represents the value V of the car after 3 years? If it's depreciating every year by a percentage, we have three functions in math. One, linear function, quadratic function, and exponential function. It cannot be linear or quadratic, so this is an exponential function. The future value, the exponential function, there is a formula for the exponential function, which is future value equals a times b to the power of x. We're looking for the future value here. In this case, the future value is v. So instead of f of x, let's write f of v, let's write just v. All right, where a is the initial value. Initial value in this case here, when the price that Kathy purchased the car, which is $21,000. Now let's get b. What is b? B is the formula for b is 1 plus or minus. It depends. If it's increasing, if the value is increasing, then it's going to be plus. If it's depreciating or decreasing, losing value, all right, so that's going to be minus. Minus the rate. The rate in this case is 1 minus, what's the rate? 14%. You got to be careful. Do not type 14% here. Do not type 14%. We don't do that. 14% is the same as converted to decimal number 0.14. So that's 1 minus 0.14. And now the x. X is the number of roundings, or how many times the car depreciates or the car loses value. Let's reread this question one more time here. The initial cost of the car is $21,000. Which equation represents the value of the car after 3 years? But the loses value here, the car depreciates every year and after 3 years. So the question now is, how many times did the car depreciate? 3 times, because if it depreciates 14% every year, and after 3 years, that's going to be 3 over 1, which is 3. X equals to 3. Let's substitute this function here into all those numbers here. Therefore, the value, or the future value, equals the initial value, which is 21,000, times 1 minus 0.14 is 0.86 to the power of 3. That is choice B. 21,000.86 about 3. It's not this one, it's not 1.114. We're not adding, we are subtracting because it's depreciation. Alright, it's not C, it is not D because we are not multiplying by 3, but the exponential function is to the power of 3. And it's not 0.14. You must include the one, either 1 plus the rate or 1 minus the rate. It is not A. It is a choice B. Work well.